Hi everyone. Today we in the Nea Beach Road, Chunk Market, and Shaira bought Chunk beer first time. This she want to try Chunk. Shaira can try. Oh, you can give me. You first time, Shaira? First time? No, say hi to our subscribers.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's our live. Yes. Singing right now.
Shaira sing song. I take a microphone. Maybe microphone is better quality.
It seems like Red Horse in Philippines. It seems like Red Horse in Philippines, but Red Horse is more stronger rather than the Champ. But I like it.
I don't know about quality of the sound. I cannot see here microphone is connect or not. I check. I check on the settings. I cannot see in settings. It's good. I use microphone, wireless microphone.
And someone said he told you he does something to you.
Many Russian people here, so many. Everywhere have Russian. You read Shaira comments, okay? Another place is so noisy, but here good. And take a look, so many girls also, because it's near Soy 6, that's why so many girls.
You can hear me? Yes, ma. You can hear me, guys? What? They asking why Georgie not go to Thailand.
Why Georgi not go to Thailand? Georgi don't have money, that's why he not go to Thailand. He save money. He won't go to Thailand, of course, but he said need to save money. He will go to Russia soon. He will come back maybe in the future to Philippines. Shara, can you check voice have? No, no, my voice from microphone. If I talk, it's microphone. Ah, okay, okay. Because yes, it's a good. Because I use microphone. I think our subscriber want to see if I walk around in this market. Shira will sit here and I will walk. I will walk around. Shira, okay? I will walk. Okay, not problem. You want it like I want to see. I want to show. I want to show what have. Okay, I will walk little bit and show to you around this market. Shira will sing song. This is Chang Beach Party. Its location is very close from the Soy 6. And I will show to you now how much beer here. This is Chunk beer. This is 110, 110, 160. This is 80, 80 baht. Chunk. Also fruits, you can buy here fruits. We already eat before in the another runway market. Only different foods we order. And Shira said, I want to buy some alcohol, beer. That's why we're going to this place. We try to go to near Soy 6 in the bar, but so many people and don't have space for seat. That's why we choose this place because has available space. I just want to show to you. I also filming, of course, in the music festival today, Indian festival. See ice cream. This is ice cream how to do. Everything in Russian language. Russian, Chinese, English. Oh, it's big place. Seafood also. Thank you. Oh, another chunk. Market chunk and beer chunk here. Oh, WeChat Pay also have. You can pay WeChat, Alipay, because many Chinese people here. But now not season of manga. Yesterday we tried to find, don't have. But season of strawberry. Strawberry not expensive right now and good strawberry. Burger. 70 baht burger. Have 70, with cheese 80. Oh, I will show to you strawberry. Yesterday we bought one. Ah, we bought 2 pieces for 100. Maybe I will buy one. Кстати, Shire already happy because strawberry I buy. You try, good or not? Maybe you need buy 2 pieces. Huh? Sweet? Little bit sweet. You choose red. Later we can eat. Cold for you? If you want, we can walk.
What?
What problem? No, you because you drink together with cold. What's why cold for you? Temperature now about 25. In the Philippines the same, yes.
I think 21.
In the Philippines,
Nine
maybe.
hours. 9 hours.
But it's okay. It's not so hot now. Yeah, because you drink with ice. That's why it's cold for you. This is night market or not market. It's night party. Or how to say? Uh, not so many people. Near Soy 6, really, so many you cannot sit. If you want, you can walk in the beach road to the what is music Indian festival. Already maybe not so noisy. Good.
How can I say?
Wait, I microphone give to you. Share this microphone. You talk. Talk
Yes.
something.
I don't want to go there in festival because it's noisy. Like I'm more not good.
And you say what you see today. People, most of the people in the pay.
Yes, pain
No,
face.
you say because they cannot.
Better you because I'm
Yes, also I want to say uh, in the future you can watch our video with this festival, Indian festival. Uh, what we seen people faces is in the color, different colors, traditional India. Yes, 50 baht is one bag with colors, different colors. Still have traffic here, and many girls use bike. Some of it's not girls. And all beach road with girls or lady boys. Mostly of lady boys. I not seen very few girls, but lady boys so many. But they is okay. They not attack. They good. Even I filming, but they not aggressive. And when I filming in Pattaya, people not aggressive. They because so many people bloggers. That's why it's not problem. Sweet. Mhm. No, I just say people not aggressive here. Even I filming, not problem.
not the same in Philippines.
And many people filming also. No one say not film like this. All normal. not aggressive, really good. Even girls in Soy 6. You think? Wait, I will put camera here. How to move camera to me. Guys, I won't say I filming in the Soy 6 yesterday, and I'm shocked really. Girls smile to me. They see my camera. Maybe some of girls, of course, turn the face. It's okay, but no problem. Filming and also one girl. You can watch later in our video. I need edit so many video, but not problem. She just say hi to camera very close. It's not same in the Philippines. I'm really shocked. Even Soy 6. I not filming in the walking street yet, nighttime. But about 7, 2 times we walk with Shaira to pier, to Kolan. Also, not problem filming. So it's different really. And so many bloggers. I see so many everywhere bloggers. Yeah, better you can watch the road. I think it's for you interesting. Not watch me. Camera white, вот, white camera. Okay, Shara, you can sing song. Yes, but we can see you how you, we can watch you how you eat strawberry. Yes. Okay, Shira, say about Chang beer.
It's good. It seems like in Philippines Red Horse, but Red Horse here in Philippines it's more stronger rather than Chang. So for me, Chang is better. It's not you cannot drink faster.
I think if you drink vodka, you also not drunk faster.
Vodka I like
Do you like vodka?
vodka Russian. That's good, strong.
I remember when you drink strong and your family said, Leon, can you take Shira from first floor to second floor? I said, I said, just wait. Uh, but after 5 minutes, when I go to first floor, Shira already in first, not in first floor, and she in the already in second floor. I see in the CCTV camera how she move because close gate. Shira like what, not zombie, how to, I don't know.
Flash.
Ninja. So drunk, and she go from the uh, fence. I don't know how you go. Easy for you. In the top, yes. Shira Ninja, really. Even drunk. But I see you in the second floor in the home already. You're really drunk. How you walk? How you go from the fence?
Because if I want to come back to home, I can do what I want.
Like robot.
Yeah.
But you're not what is this? You not remember what you're doing this time, or you remember?
I remember how I come back to home.
I remember really. I still save this video in CCTV. How you? Do you want if I make video about this?
No, not so
Shira Ninja.
No, why you need to take video that one? Why you need to save that one?
Joke, of course. No. Also Arabian guys filming also live stream. Us next table. Everyone use phone and streaming. It's not only me. Up to you. You can see. Really, Thailand is international city. If you see in Angeles, mostly tourists is Korean guys. But here have Korean, Chinese, Indian, Germany. Today I also see from France, some French also. And near table I just walked near. Yes, also French guys sit. Russian many. From the Poland also. Two old women sit. Niet near Shire. In Terminal 21. Yeah, yes, Arabian guys very close. Shire, it's Arabian, yes? Shire, no, Arabian.
Wait.
Shire recognize. Not Arabian? Wait, that cat from microphone remove. That cat.
I think that it's from Portugal.
Guys, who know, please comment. Little bit and you don't have beer and I need buy again. Without that cat you can hear how Shire sings song. It's not microphone, Shire, it's strawberry.
I know.
It's strawberry.
I do it with my.
Mhm. Shire, where you another phone? Can you maybe have comments and I can reply? Oh, mosquito near you. Don't have comments, Shire. Shire have. I was there as opposite of beach. Total stranger asking, are there people in Thailand living under the bridge? No, I cannot see. But I don't know. I not been in this place where people live under the bridge. Hi, Shire and Lemon. How are both of you? Where are you in Thailand? Bangkok? Enjoy yourself and take care. Keep safe. Okay, read. We in the Pattaya in Thailand, Pattaya, not in Bangkok. We going to Bangkok only to airport, not.
Are there people in Thailand living under the bridge? Bridge? Where?
No, he asking about under the bridge
I don't know.
because we have video in Angeles City in near Dao under the bridge where
Okay.
we live.
It's from Alberto. Hi, Shaira and Dayang. How are the both of you? Where are you both in Thailand, Bangkok? Enjoy yourself and take care and safe. I'm glad to see both of you again. We're here in Thailand, Pattaya, and thank you for your yes, already. And we're good. And who's this one? Habis come? He said, "Do you drink alcohol?"
Me?
Yeah.
No, I not drink alcohol. Even beer I don't want. Not don't like. But Shaira can drink alcohol, beer.
I was there. It's opposite of beach.
But we also opposite of beach.
Yes.
This is Chunk market. Chunk,
We're in Chiang Market right now.
Chunk, yes. But beach, it's already you can see beach road. I hear Pattaya is quiet now. Not many tourists. No, many tourists, so many. But uh, when we travel to Thailand, arrive Bangkok airport, not so many uh, people in airport. But in Pattaya, so many people. Everywhere have people and many. So it's six many people and also walking street many. I will try strawberry. Good. Sweet strawberry good.
Right?
We every day eat strawberry. Yesterday I bought 2 kilograms. Now 1 kilo. Maybe we will buy more strawberry if I have.
You can go home. I can bring this one.
No, if you want. You want go home already now? No, okay, I can do live stream. We walk. Okay, I prepare camera. No, not need. We just walk and talk. Shaira, take Yes. Okay. Allowed? What problem? Not faster shire, okay? Okay, we will walk through soy 6 and we will show to you. I don't know, better wide camera or normal like this. I don't know. Huh?
See there?
What?
You cannot comment there. You cannot see.
No, because it's application. This is ultra wide. Okay, ultra wide maybe better. But nighttime quality not good. Need connect camera. This is cocktail. 290 baht. You want drink? Okay, no problem. Pancake, take a look, pancake. Oh, police go to soy 6 now. You hear? Police going to soy 6. I don't know. Share, can you put this to the back?
Not drink at all.
I don't want. Pasta, pizza, grill also.
It's allowed to drink. Take some drinks.
Yes, why not? Of course allowed. You pay for drink.
Hold this one.
Yellow massage. Yellow. We already near soy 6. Not so fast, Shaira, okay? Wait, I go. This is soy 6. Take a look how many people right now in soy 6. So busy. Noisy also. Shaira will go to CR and McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's also have party, street foods also. People drink. We tried before sit here, but don't have space because Shaira won't drink something here, alcohol, but at this time don't have space. And girls from the bars also. Gold bar, girls from Gold Bar. Guys, streaming everywhere, bloggers. And if you go this way straight, you can go to the runway market. Take a look this building. And this building girls work and live. Soi 6, backside of Soi 6. Oh, Shaira already. Why should pay? For CR maybe. I will ask her. Shaira, are you pay for CR?
Да, listen. If you can hear, I need to fix.
You won't sit here? What happened? Fix won't? You need stitch maybe. You can sit. Shaira. Shaira, you can fix an hotel. Okay, you sit here. Shaira. Okay. You don't like already drink? Okay, let's go. Walk to our hotel. It's not so far. We will show to you road Everyone filming here, everyone. I don't know about quality of the video. Nighttime maybe not good. Shaira, not need so fast because if I filming, it's not good if you run. Soy 5.
Banana loaf, mas.
Pancake with chocolate. Hi? We already near Spatay International Hospital near our hotel. Time now soon midnight. It's already 11:53. After 7 minutes, midnight already. But so many people always in this Pattaya place, beach road. No, maybe in Pattaya somewhere have already silent, but beach road always many people. Map of Pattaya in Russian language. Lighthouse without light now. And this place and beach road, it's already far from the walking street, but still have girls sit in the near the beach. So many girls. Girls maybe, lady boys, but many. Even far from the walking street. Soi 3 Pattaya. And we will go to the second road, because it's second road our hotel. What, Shaira? Again. But why you use this? I already say to you, it's not safety. Pancake also. Good what? Ah, corn. I tried yesterday this one. Bird. Yeah, I tried before.
Hello? Kus.
Ah, okay, thank you.
Egg, small egg.
I know, it's a small bird. No, I don't know, don't have meat.
But you know, it's exotic food. Exotic.
Exotic. Cockroach also exotic, Shaira. I don't want.
Cricket, I can eat cricket.
Maybe.
I eat before. Snake, cricket. What type? Frog. What?
Frog? You eat frog?
The frog tastes like chicken.
It's good live with you. I can find frog, crickets, and if you're hungry, I said, Shaira, you can eat frog.
So you can, if I cook
No.
for you that one, you can.
No, for you.
I'm asking you, you can live with me.
No, I said, if you want it, I find frog.
I can eat vegetable from where is it? I can eat vegetable, cricket, frog.
Okay, very good.
So many.
I will save money. Just only crickets I will,
Urut.
and frog also.
If guy cannot live with me, I can be single. Understand? So you need to eat what my traditional food.
So you want to say I need it also?
Da,
Really?
da. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be like what is this? Look like king. You don't need to be a king. You need to be what is normal people only. If you go to another country, you need to try their what is this cuisine, their traditional food, their what
Okay, Shaira, you want to say most of the Philippines eat with
Da.
frog or crickets or
Bills from the farm, worm from the banana trunk. Understand? So many we tried before.
we already near place where bars, pool in front of this hotel. Are you drunk already, Shaira? Not?
If I'm
Not-
drunk, I cannot walk.
Drunk you can walk also.
You sure they run from here?
Oh, billiard. They have billiard. That's good.
Yes.
But the problem only here don't have karaoke.
Maybe some place have karaoke, I don't know. But when we walk near Siam not billiard, massage, I see many guys in the line, they waiting entrance to massage. This is popular massage, body massage. They say it happy end massage. So many. But most of people is from India, Indian guys. But so many. Another massage.
Stop it, okay?
Aye?
They don't want it
What don't want?
already.
Hi?
They don't like it.
They don't like me?
No, the
Video? But I filming you. Already midnight.
Stop that one already.
But why, Shaira? What? I want to show already central.
Don't worry.
What you don't want?
You know, what if they fight with you, they will fight also.
The who fight? I already filming before.
Here?
It's you worry because you in the Philippines, but in the Thailand, not problem. Everyone is filming. This guy also filming. Okay, if Shaira don't like, I just my face. You can watch my face. But later I change camera to the road, and you can see the road. Okay, change. They say okay, good. They said they want filming and it's okay, no problem. Shaira, they not scared. But I not focus to the people. Shaira, you want already go to the hotel room? Why? Sleep? Really? You sleep want? Because you drink beer. You want it strawberry.
That's okay later.
Later? Okay. Okay, say to our subscribers, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I cannot already say because
Shaira drunk already.
no, I'm not drunk.
And she said she won't go to hotel room. You asking me about why I not drink alcohol. If I drink alcohol and Shaira drink alcohol, what do you think? It's good or not? Okay, thank you. Maybe we will try to do live stream in the Walking Street, Pattaya. Shaira already say no.